And that's first, outside, inside, last. So first, that's going to be 7 times the square root of 10 times 2 times the square root of 10. And then outside, which would be 7 times the square root of 10 plus 8 times, or not plus, times 8 times the square root of 2. And then inside is going to give me 6 times the square root of 2 times 2 times the square root of 10. And then last, which will be 6 times the square root of 2 times 8 times the square root of 2. Sorry, that's all squished. All right, so what we do is we multiply the numbers outside and the numbers inside. Although you don't actually have to do that if you don't want to. The square root of 10 times the square root of 10, when you have that, the square root goes away. So this is 14 times 10. Here I have 7 times 8, and then 10 times 2. And 20 is 4 times 5, and 4 is a perfect square. So I have 56 times 2 times the square root of 5. Here I have 6 times 2, that's 12. And 2 times 10, so that's also 20. Same. So I have 12 times 2 times the square root of 5. And then I have 8 times 6 is 48. Times the square root of 4, so that's 48 times 2. So this gives me 140. This is 112, because the 56 and the 2 times the square root of 5. That's 24 times the square root of 5, and that's 96. And then I want to add my like terms. So 140 and 96 can be added, and that gives me 236. And then these are both square roots of 5, so I can add those together as well. So I have 112 plus 24, so that's 136 times the square root of 5. And just a reminder, I'm going to have the PDF of all of this available on the website as well. So if you don't want to write it all down right now, you don't have to, because you could go get it offline and print it later or something. It's a lot of printing though. But you can print, I mean, it's a PDF, so you can technically, you could print four of these per page, because this is like one page right there, so it's pretty huge. So you could make it smaller. Okay, ready for the next one? Where'd my recorder go? All right. So I have first, outside, inside, last. So 7 times the square root of 2 times 9 times the square root of 2. That's my first. My outside is 7 times the square root of 2 times negative 6 times the square root of 5. My inside is 6 times the square root of 5 times 9 times the square root of 2. And then my last is going to be 6 times the square root of 5 times negative 6 times the square root of 5. Okay. 7 times 9 is 63. The square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is just 2. 7 times 6 is 42, and then 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 9 is 54, and 2 times 5 is 10. And then I have negative 36 times 5. So this is 126. Negative 42 plus 54 is positive 12. And then 36 times 5 is 180. Now I have, so these were like terms. So these were like terms, so I combine them, and now these are like terms, so I'll combine those. And I have 180 minus 26, because negative positive. So that's 54, and because the 180 was negative, that's negative plus 12 times the square root of 10.